lines no. A cast story be chire o. Unsi a ball group stages of the Champions League in the year no. Rich na yenya 1 to 8. Omo automatic qualification to the round of 16. And you want from 9 to 24 are omubo playoff. You bo playoff ni year no. Omo mutimi survive playoff no. And you play omo to omo automatic qualification aya 1 to 8 no. Na you play omo na ya draw no. And you dey to about say omo automatic 1 to 8 no. Ebedi ako away first in a round of 16. Now this is a story, Rich. It means say oh share your tactical board na Rich omo mi nifa so say no. And omunya automatic qualification. And omo mi bonkum say no. And I survive the playoff and then omo in a round of 16. Rich, what does the results tell you? Results in the catcher will say indeed I no crazy omo na omanya automatic qualification you know. Omo they were Champions League in this season than omo free playoff in the mobile no. Rich, except which story? Real Madrid. Omo ball playoff ni nyina no. None of them could win. Even though omo ball fie except Real Madrid. That is why Real Madrid are different in the Champions League. In for you be say when you try to interpret it and give meaning to it, then you understand why Real Madrid is different. Because Rich, as for la Kelita, you know, Villa 3-1 our Belgium. Omubefie they are home and dry. Lyon had a very good results in Germany. 1-1. Omo yesho omo first no beteka. But Rich, Real Madrid in Quadie from the playoffs could win their game against omo when you automatic qualification. That is Real Madrid for you. Now, you see, Rich, yan kind of crunch there, ho. Say Atletico Timi Real Madrid every Champions League anymore. It will be an upset, even though Atletico any automatic qualification to the round of 16. But Rich, history actually and say in the Champions League, you know, say Real Madrid ni Atletico share. Rich, even in time past, I think say Atletico had a more formidable, more mature team, and also with Minister Real Madrid don't mind to me. Now, Ejuma Diago Gordon mind to me. Yes, a Clement Lenglemon and Bear. Rich, we must be very, very honest with ourselves. Ejuma Gabi Fernandez, no. Satam Coke Resurrection at his peak. Rich, mind to me, no. We are asking Galan mo, any Molina mo to come and do it. That is the magnitude of the worker. Yeah, dear Matima fella Atletico Madrid for. Now, Real Madrid for Kai Atletico very early in the game. Said they are Real Madrid. Rich, 4 minutes old. And you see, sometimes say you can say player be a versatile player. Look, Freddy Valverde or a midfielder. And about two now,
that's why number 2 that.
Yes, or both 2. You said you about 2 that. But Rich, anytime he was on the ball, say Osha, the composer. Any the way Otimi a passable now, you could clearly see say, oh, where a midfielder I am about 2. He created the first goal for a team I found Real Madrid. Now, what you go the goals here? Say I can't go for so Muntie.
Pola.
Messi in big games. Rich Nuhuye Etienne Vinicius and Mbappe at Real Madrid. Say Vinicius you only say Onimbo. Only say Nuhu Mbappe Unimono. But the way this guy is calm, so quiet, but for me kind of unassuming, but Rich, he has been turning up on the big stages for Team FN Real Madrid, and that is so remarkable. Look at the way Oyia Galan. look at the first touch of the sharp and him. And look at the way incoming center half neighbor. He had to dribble him onto his left. Boy, and we can foot this go no. That is incredible for my brand here. Now, Rich, maybe say me boost our view. The same one did go the goals. As on the Alvarez, there was this incident. Real Madrid for Gidi said this should have been a penalty. Again, between the two players. Rodrigo the goals and a Galan. Minusamo ran a commentary. Now, more as commentators and more summarizers, what was more verdict on this matter?
Some men and I'm a referee. I'm a Clement Tapena. Going to major penalty.
Cabbage.
Yeah, magic.
And reason
there was a contact.
Say, and now Rodrigo had advantage over the ball.
Sure.
Was saying we are.
A brand tenant and a Bianco between go. A major penalty.
That is a strong argument. For me, I think that Rodrigo had a clear view and advantage over the ball. And boxing him when he comes the first goal. So on a Fabo way, he would have again. So I said, probably a cutback for me to score. And yes, there was a physical contact, but the player said, "Oh, say it wasn't enough." Say Rodrigo Benya penalty. I agree with you. This should have been a penalty for Tima, your friend in Real Madrid. Now, Fifi came tweet me, Rich. The amount I could trust our tweet, was the goal Alvarez scored. Rich,
Mamma mia.
Only the amount go near me fair. One complete angle, no. Boy, you Bobby. Say, Osha, so often pure more. Now, on your angle, Rich, one complete angle, no. And from that acute angle, and look, and you goalkeeper behind they say no. He beat Thibaut Courtois.
How rich?
I'm telling you. This is what you call almost perfect shot. Look at it. And Monaco said, oh, this was a very, very good goal. And I think, say, in a game like this, now Atletico Madrid will have any sort of hope. Rich, it should come from a situation, BT say, now, by him, they has gone on saying they're rich. I blame him in it. As a spears, I know, I thought so also Jan and Aso. There was no situation for him, say, no one will put him in a quarter form. I thought so there also to be Jan and Aso. But on top of it, he gave by him just an era of Bobo Papa. Me, Makase, I have seen this countless time in football. Rich, football is a life. Say, Obi, someone will turn up. Say, Obi advantage. And also, Obi opportunity. Say, and now, soon as you know, me say, go and do the job. Rich, someone will turn up. And was all there. Brahim Diaz knew, say, without Jude Bellingham, without Danny Ceballos, this is his time as the number 10 of the Real Madrid team in an important game. And Ochile, so the sword for sword, and team in him, the overall play, and or capping with this wonderful goal. Now, minimum of the national ball, no, say, also, O'Shea go to you, or TCD penny. And was in our coin, I'm saying, Jano. This is one special moment for Abrantian and General Rich. It was a super game anywhere. No, before I think it was around the 77th minute or so. Changing now, Simeone here, Griezmann. Now the Lenormand,
yeah.
Rich, doesn't mean say at that point, Simeone Gidi said at the Bernabeu 2-1 you're okay.
Yeah.
You're from Kuwana Metropolitano.
Never give me your opinion. Because don't consider fear.
Then
am I giving you a
yes. And see, we don't know what Simeone ever under his sleeves, but at a point in time, Ochile and say he think a 2-1 defeat over the Santiago Bernabeu is enough for him. Say or debate me at Tukwana. Rich never answer from Koda here.
7 years.
Only the name. Look, minimum say Arsenal is a better team than PSV. Balance says all here without Saka, Martinelli, Kai Havertz ni ade no. Na omani mu ho no mu ntimi nhye goals because omo ni strikers. Omo bo Mikel Moreno obi anim say oye a typical number 8 as omo striker. And to score 7 there. And we are talking about Arsenal, Rich. Omo last 4 games, I think they've managed to even score only 2 goals or say against Leicester. It is 7 in the Champions League away in Holland there. Now, Rich, only say sad results way. I'm an Arsenal and 5 wins in a row in the Champions League. And good news for Delali, Sledge, and Arsenal fans. Rich, the last time Arsenal and 5 wins in a row in the Champions League. Guess the year 2005-2006, and they went to the finals against team and friend of Barcelona. Now Arsenal repeat this idea. Will Arsenal make it to the final against Barcelona? Baby, omunamno as a chair and we say na omuye 2 Arsenal players interview. Simba and one other player Refino. And now omubu so say 7-1 there. Oma qualify na omu anticipate so me share Real Madrid and obusa journalists they say born na results na say no so Real Madrid has 2-1 nti BHS and where Arsenal next game will be against Real Madrid at the next level so okay you will be ready nti you know how we say and Rich Emma say in that run Arsenal and the Champions League final no they beat Real Madrid also on that road. Inti say chat na to Arsenal for me winning them. Na your Sika enko guso Arsenal were just ruthless. Rich and 4 games. We will run through very very quickly. Na yetimi at the prediction number. Yencho mutu. Who say they about final ne inter game first, but it will be last on the analysis. Inti let's roll. Miri fifi agi. And minimum the am I confused as to which game to run the commentary. Rich, maybe Barcelona, but I think this is the game. Paris Saint-Germain, Liverpool. This is the game. Senya me say me Barcelona niya. I am me agasa me TV ni me decoder. Obi ntimi ni me media chine channel amensha. Rich, sanka me ko hebo no baby a majority carries the voter. I will vote for us watching this game. Paris Saint-Germain against Liverpool. Now, Rich, Paris Saint-Germain forms CCA. And Fifi rightly put it, say, a team in the past, they've depended on superstars. Now they want to build with dressing room. Obian said that ni ego kesibian kase we sooner we I say na my be done say. And it seems say sa dressing room no more sisiano and with the unity and some sense of purpose biama Obia is rallying around helping each other for them to get the team now or more air panel. But Rich, they are coming up against Liverpool. Yet I was saying I come street news. I say what for FIFA. Rich, whether you've turned good or not, it is Liverpool and a Liverpool team. Rich, more form on all grounds, domestically, Europe, more form. You have more group stages in the year. No top group. That is the respect you need to give to Team FL Liverpool ahead of this game. Now, Rich, there are some small talking points in terms of the starting 11. A free and whatever. Rich, in the middle of the park. Ebumosio Zaire Emery will play. Na Rius are caught in a bench. Ebumosio no. I was say Rius at the ball. And Nimo Due or Caraskeria, why and our bono. And those are the decisions I was say Ore Feno and Luis Enrique Etimiteki. But Liverpool here, they are so bent on who to play. Obianim say Alisson, Trent, Robertson, Van Dijk, Konate, Gavingeck, McAllister, Soboslai, Salah, Diaz, and Diogo Jota. Rich, look, Mijinse game a pimpe game. And Rich, we could have a very, very chaotic game. Okay. So when we are 2 teams in the waiting free Okoshogo, where's the team free Okoshogo? And even though Minim say Luis Enrique is Spanish. But Luis Enrique, he's a Spanish that likes diet football. on pesa ball retention, you rotate. No. Get the ball to the front line. Now Omunya Bibi and with Bakola Dembele and Carrasqueria, then Dia Salah Jota. It means that 2 teams thing now. Our 3 front line are rich. They need the ball quickly and they want to play expansive football and attack Omu teams. Now rich, say game yes here. I don't know the defense and the defenders because waiting for the source. How well and who defenders can prevent those attacking very, very crucial. Okay. And I think say so offer defense in the rich at least Van Dijk and Gwen, Liverpool have a certain level of stability in defending than Tima, your friend of Paris Saint-Germain. And my Liverpool a slight favorite at the mommy. Right. But the prediction there, Rich, I think we will see goals in this game. Say Amba because of the players now or more on the showcase. Yeah, we're saying we say Trent Boboa. Now Carrasqueria. Strength he will want to run there. You can even have Bakola or Dembele. Or more overloading or maybe a Trent one. They will get something out of our mentality. We have a special game to watch. Over 2.5 in this game. And you're bad. Barcelona Air Cup Benfica. Now Barcelona call by Rich. And they know Bruno Lage in the Rantiano. Etimia says Barcelona and saying, Rich, no couldn't you mean? Say, oh, you're Benfica player, oh, you're Benfica supporter. Rich, Ubenya Gidia Kaka. And Gideon say, even in Barcelona for Muru to Muso, ya se Benfica for Nanciano. Rich, Nanya game, Sebi, easy, sir. Barcelona really had to dig deep. And so Mutimi Ese Tima, your friend Benfica. Now, there is the 2 lineups, and Rich, in all honesty, I think this is Barcelona's strongest 11. This team, with Daniel Olmo as Barcelona number 10, Pedri as number 8, De Jong as Barca number 6, Kubasi, Inigo Martinez, Bade Kunde. This is Barcelona's strongest 11 out of Barcelona players now. Look, Barca should have to be careful. Uni Obia Bonche, Obo hat-trick, make up probably this. Was Obia Otima said 3 goals at Tiawadi. Some say he should be Barcelona's focus. Say Omu Ebetimi Atemuno. I think say away no. Now first leg I will be cautious and go Barcelona double chance and the game over 1.5 hour. There is a special night in Germany, Rich. Or the Allianz Arena. 2 teams and say they disappointed supporters because and they goalless. But Rich, I don't think say you may game be goalless.
Okay. Goals Beba.
Yes. The reason why Mijidi pass that will be the case and say, Rich, this time around there is Champions League qualification at stake. And Bayern able fear in the first leg. No, we say so. Second leg, not only any advantage. And Adia Bayern Leverkusen for the penalty. When you think say you need to come after them and score, they know how to create chances against you. Eti me say, "Emo bi anda adamu." Senior na say, "Omu say na ye neon nti ebi ara so say ubeko for goals no." I think say this game will produce the goals no. Right in the last game, Mijidi say Inter will play for at least a draw. Na omo at the game na aba San Siro. Emi ere fi say, "Sa team here fe no fire no di ai." And a deny team a friend of Juventus. And they've done very, very well because the Dutch teams, against the Italians, But they are meeting the boss of the Italian game. And with these 2 lineups, Rich, I think say Anya Shekwano Inter must play this game very, very safe, deal with Pachaomo and probably grind the results and take the game back to the San Siro. So I'm going for a double chance Inter Milan against this final team. Rich, those are my predictions for any game. Let me give only one code. Only one. Na yentimim refe na yemedi yenkomo no fie. Just one code be pre na mede mamo. Me say wa o chere me birthday ti me ma birthday gift. Na what me e dey aye dey o dey be here. Which code no 18 9 B C4 nti 1818 9B C4 1818 9B C4 only one code per. I think the odds are around almost 16 odds because there are other games in so yeah they account very interesting matches and yeah picking into you bet me afa na on so odi a chow bet e wo bet we yeah be first draw no and it's 2000